Looking for help with resolving technical issues on your HP products? Try our automated diagnostic solution for an easy fix. Get step-by-step instructions on resolving common printer issues like cartridge jams, print quality, printer setup, and more. You can talk to our virtual agent to get step-by-step instructions on setting up your HP printer, fixing print quality errors, paper jams, and more. Or you can use the HP Print and Scan Doctor to resolve common printer issues like cartridge jams and printer connectivity. Use the Microsoft troubleshooters to automatically detect, diagnose, and fix printing issues. Or use the HP Print and Scan Doctor to resolve other print-related issues after a Windows update. Are you unable to connect your HP notebook to a wireless network? Is your system too slow? Use the comprehensive network diagnostic tool that is automated to detect, diagnose, and repair issues with network functionality. Or you can talk to our virtual agent to get step-by-step instructions on setting up a Wi-Fi connection, fixing Bluetooth, or fixing network connectivity. Use the HP Performance Tune-Up to analyze and optimize your PC to improve performance and resolve system freeze issues. Or run the HP PC hardware diagnostic tests to determine whether the computer is functioning properly.